This video will show you other tips and hints to help you be successful in an online Blackboard course. So far we've covered the above tabs, except for Instructor Information, Orientation of Blackboard, Check and Send Email, My Grades, and Help. Instructor Information gives you your instructor's information. A phone number, an office location if available, email, how often email will be checked, etc. Orientation to Blackboard provides additional videos and how-to videos. Check Email will take you to a page to go to your email. You want to be sure that you're checking your email multiple times throughout the week. Email is very important in an online class, as this is one of the only ways that your instructor will be able to communicate with you and answer your questions. You can also send email. You can send email to other students in the class, or you can use this to send an email to your instructor. It will list your instructor's name and your name. Type in a subject. If it is a question concerning a specific assignment, it's always a good idea to put that assignment name in the subject line. Be specific and polite in your message, and hit submit. You can also check your grades. For the first week, it's important to make sure that you get a 100% on the syllabus quiz. You can check this here. You can see all assignments. You can see assignments that have been graded, things that are upcoming, and things that you have submitted. There's also a help button with some other information for you. Again, don't forget to check your announcements multiple times a week. And again, good luck.